If you're getting shoulder tension and pain, try these easy techniques to help regulate the nerves and relax the muscles in your arms and shoulders. Before we get started, let's do some range of motion tests to see where you're limited, what causes pain, and of course, to see if these techniques are effective for you. The first range of motion I'd like you to assess with me is shoulder abduction. We're just going to bring our arm all the way out to the side, and your bicep should get close to your ear or touch your ear if you have full range of motion. The next range of motion is internal rotation. So we're just going to place the back of our hand on our lower back. Now let's try external rotation. Let's keep our elbow against our side and externally rotate as far as we can. And last, forward flexion. Take note of which ranges of motion were limited, tight, or caused pain, and where they caused pain. Now let's start with the first shoulder release. This one might be a little bit difficult for you to do depending on what's wrong with your shoulder, so stick around until I show the second release, which everyone should be able to do. For this first one, we're going to cross our arms behind our lower back and try to figure out which orientation feels the most comfortable. Once you've determined which orientation is the most comfortable, go ahead and start making circles with both hands in the direction that it feels easiest. Continue to make small circles with your wrists and hands for 2 to 3 minutes. When you're done, go ahead and reassess the ranges of motion that were the most restricted or that caused some discomfort. Take note of your range of motion and where the discomfort is now. Here's another arm and shoulder release in case you weren't able to do the first one. Place your thumb in the middle of your elbow crease. Place your middle finger on the tip of your elbow. Rest the arm. This is best done at home, seated with the pillow under your arm. And make a circular motion on those 2 points in the direction of ease, continuously and rhythmically for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done, go ahead and reassess, taking note if there was any changes in your range of motion, tension, or pain. I hope this video was helpful. Please share it if you know someone suffering with shoulder pain. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.